Welcome to the World Skills Center Campus 2, a vibrant ecosystem where young innovators turn precision into purpose. Here, every sound of a machine, every spark of metal marks the beginning of a new skill journey for ITI and Polytechnic graduates. The campus is dedicated to the precision engineering course, the art and science of crafting perfection. Students begin with hands-on training in conventional turning, milling and grinding, learning how to shape and refine metal with absolute accuracy. They then move into high-tech simulation labs equipped with CNC turning and milling systems, multi-axis machining units, and sheet metal fabrication setups, mastering advanced manufacturing with the tools of the future.
Precision engineering is a highly specialized branch of engineering. It has three important components. One is design, manufacturing, and checking of these components. This particular product involves in high accuracy, which is beyond normal imagination. Simply, if you take a millimeter and divide it into 1,000 parts, one is known as a micron. We are able to produce to accuracy of 5 microns in this workshop. And we have high-end machines, state-of-the-art machines in our campus.
In the 3D CAD/CAM design, sheet metal and multi-axis studios, imagination meets innovation. Students design, simulate, and bring their creations to life through digital precision and real-world craftsmanship. Perfection continues in the inspection and quality control lab, where every product is measured, scanned, and certified for excellence.
प्रिसिजन इंजीनियरिंग चूज करिवार मूल लक्ष्य होची वर्ल्ड स्किल सेंटर वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेनिंग आउ इंडस्ट्री 4.0 रिलेटेड मशीन्स हमको ट्रेनिंग दउची जोड़ा आम कैरियर पाई गोटे बहुत बड़ अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट करिनो।
फैकल्टीज तो बहुत बढ़िया आउ पढ़ा पढ़ी बहुत बढ़िया ही चलची एवं बहुत माने सैटिस्फाई लागुच जे आमे माने एत्ते भल से एटी माने जोटा आमे जानि नथुले एटी जानि के निजको इंप्रूव करूछु।
Our production center, supported by reputed industry partners, replicates real-world industrial environments where learning meets application. World Skills Center Campus 2 is evolving into a future-ready training-cum-production hub, driving excellence across aerospace, automotive, electrical, and other high-precision engineering sectors. Upon completion, students find rewarding placement opportunities with leading companies, turning their training into thriving careers.
जमिति कि आमे भी देखिथिलु जे हमर सीनियर माने एबे जस्ट पास आउट करचंदी ताकर 100% प्लेसमेंट आसीची से माने भलो भलो कंपनी टाटा जिंदल आईएम गियर एमती कंपनी रे प्लेसमेंट पाई जंदी तो तांकु देखि कि हम ऊपर भी कोई सेति कि भरोसा आसुची आ आमे फैकल्टी मानक ऊपर भी सेति भरोसा आसुची से माने हमको एमिति भाबरे काम सिखैथिबे जे आमे कोनोसी इंटरव्यू दबा पई पछगुंजा दबु नाही।
And beyond machines, knowledge and camaraderie builds mastery. The Learning Resource Center supports research and self-study, and the Activity Center inspires fitness, creativity, and teamwork.
My invitation to students within Odisha and all over, this is a fantastic facilities we have. It is at your disposal. Use this opportunity and grow with us in attaining the skills. We have been expressing and nurturing the student to go out of Odisha, go to other states of India, learn the skills, experience, and come back and build Odisha to a greater height.
Together, World Skills Center Campus 2 stands as a beacon of skill, strength, and self-reliance, shaping the vision of Samruddha Odisha 2036 and Viksit Bharat 2047.